Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. So about 2 months ago, I got my REI dividends. So what I did is I went and I cashed them in and got my own set of pie irons. Now I've never owned pie irons before, so this is my first. I have used some before that were Fernbarks. So Fernbark has his own. Dave went and bought his own, and I just hadn't gotten around to getting any yet. So after my dividends, they were like 12 bucks, or like, excuse me, they're like $9. Wow, right when I turned the camera on. So then about 5 days after I bought these, I think it was 5 days, I get a message from Fernbark who said that Tracy Phillips had sent me a pair of pie irons as well. So needless to say, I was pretty surprised. I didn't expect that. And actually I can't get them out of the box because, you know, reasons. So he sent me a pair as well, which is very cool of him. So now I have two. But what I didn't know what he did is he sent me so nice of the camera battery to die on me mid-sentence. So I don't even know where I left off. So anyway, I now have two of these and one of the big ones. So thank you very much, Tracy. My apologies for the long delay for making the thank you video. I'll link your channel below so people can come check you out. He's been doing a lot of really cool MRE videos. So if that's your thing, go check him out. These say they're pre-seasoned, but I'm gonna assume that they're not and just season them anyway. I was gonna season these today, but no campfires here and I don't really feel like getting ticketed, so I'm gonna probably get out tomorrow and go up to the shooting range and where I've been shooting videos and try to get a fire going and get these suckers properly seasoned. And I definitely have some ideas for videos for these, so I'm gonna do a bannock in this big one. I got to. I mean, I just have to do a bannock in this. It would be wrong not to. Plus, I got some kind of cool ideas, so I gotta get these seasoned and ready to go before I can do that. So probably tomorrow. So thank you very much to Tracy again, and I do apologize to Fernbark as well because he had these for like a month, almost two, at his house. Because Tracy sent them to him and he just told me he had them and I just couldn't get out there. I tried a few times, but you know, our schedules are different now because of my new job and whatnot. So plus I'm just an ass, you know. What am I gonna do? So thanks for watching. Just a quick video, and I'll see you next time. Actually, I'll get the seasoning going, so